Ready? This is my favorite book, The Little Engine That Couldn't. Once upon a time, there was a little engine that couldn't. He tried and tried
always loved Josh
to get up a hill.
personally
He
because
tried
I
to
love
get up a
Josh.
hill.
But then I realized I love Josh because of him.
He tried and tried to chug his little wheels up the hill, but he was just a wimp and a nork. So he couldn't. He couldn't get up that hill. And no matter how many people told him that there was that book, The Little Engine That Could, but this isn't that book. This is The Little Engine That Couldn't. And this engine couldn't. He was a wimp. He was a nork. A nerd dork. He was a disgrace to the human race. You cannot even explain.
That
He was
jaw,
disgrace.
that
Disgrace,
face. Okay,
I
I'm
say.
done.
So
Why
this
is he so
little,
attractive?
this
His
little
face is like a
engine,
sculpture. His jaws are so
this
defined.
little engine tried all day. His little engine foxy friends.
But it's gorgeous.
His foxy friends tried to tell him. The coal in his back caboose was telling him.
Hutcherson, Josh.
They all had
Hutcherson,
little
awesome,
smiley faces
love that
saying,
jaw.
"You can do this! You can do this!" But the truth is, he couldn't. He was
Awesome,
just a
it's the
little
last
engine
comic I
that
can do.
couldn't.
I mean, seriously. Liam
Hey.
Hemsworth sucks.
He tried to get up the hill. And he tried like so hard you do not even know. And the squirrel came by and he got in the way. The squirrel was crying. He had a broken leg. The little engine that couldn't. He couldn't. And the squirrel just stopped him from going. And the little engine might have made it if that poor little crying baby squirrel did not get in the way. So the little engine couldn't.
I'm watching a video.
This is the end.